Income secrets to financial freedom. Who doesn't want to make more money in order to achieve financial freedom? However, only a few of us actually achieve the financial freedom we eagerly long for. Is it that tough to achieve? Through proper financial planning and setting goals to improve our personal finances, we can all achieve financial freedom. Hello 101 community, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we will be revealing some income secrets to financial freedom. But before we begin, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to never miss any updates. Financial freedom. When we talk about financial freedom, it means different things to different people. It is typically defined as having enough financial resources to live the life one wants without worrying about money. The financially free person can live his life without worrying about being tied down to monetary limitations. These people rely on an emergency fund and have faith in their financial strategies. All of us want to have enough money to never have to worry about finances ever. It is another level of freedom when you don't have to worry about how you'll pay your bills or usual expenses. It also saves you from being burdened with a pile of unpaid debt. Achieving financial freedom is not a big task. It just requires constant determination and smart strategies. So, the only question you need to ask yourself is if you are ready to do it. If you are ready, financial freedom and independence can become your fate. Start thinking positively about money. Thinking positively about money is an important part of achieving financial freedom. Money is simply a necessity of life. We need it like we need water and food. It helps us buy the basic necessities of life and live the life we want. So, thinking negatively about money is an emotional obstacle in your path. You must eliminate the negative thoughts that having more money leads to evil or that money can't buy you happiness if you want to achieve financial freedom. Once we start thinking positively about money, we automatically attract opportunities and open up more unexpected doors. Positive thinking is undeniably the key to success. There is one habit that is similar in all self-made millionaires. That is, they save and invest regularly from an early age. Saving is a smart habit that one must initiate early on in life in order to achieve financial freedom in the long run. Life keeps on throwing new challenges. While we cannot predict what our next challenge will be, we can always prepare for it beforehand. Learning how to save money is one of the best things we can do to ensure we deal with any obstacles thrown by life at us. Savings gives people a sense of power and protection. It allows you to enjoy your life to the fullest without worrying about what will happen next. How to save money. Saving money is a responsible habit that may take time to develop. Some smart tricks can help you save right. Open a savings account. The best way to save efficiently is to open a separate financial freedom account for the savings. Transfer any amount you want to save to this separate account. Even if you save 10% of your paycheck each month, you will have enough savings at the end of the year. You can also invest in different savings instruments directly from your savings account. Set a budget. The most important thing that you need to exercise while saving money is to have strong willpower. Do not touch the money earmarked for savings. Set a budget from your income and stick to it. Do not exceed it, and make all efforts to try and save, even from a tight budget. Look into spending habits. Constantly evaluate your money spending habits to save extra. Do not spend on unnecessary things. Prefer saving an amount instead of spending it on an unrequired thing. Involve family. Another good strategy to save money is involving family members in your goal. Discussing it with the family will always benefit you in the long run, as you will all be in it together. Consider savings plans. One can also consider investing in life insurance savings plans. These plans can help you ensure that you and your family's needs are taken care of at the time of need. It helps you develop a regular saving habit that can give good returns and keep you financially prepared for any emergency. Set financial goals. It is also important to set goals while saving money. It encourages saving in a systemic manner. Your goals can be short-term or long-term. Short-term goals can include buying a car or going on a vacation, while long-term goals include buying a house or planning for your retirement. Knowing the type of goals already will help you build the right financial strategy. It will help you carve your path to success. If you like the video so far, press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to develop yourself financially and want to take your future into your own hands, check the links in the video description. You can also support the channel by visiting our merch shop and buy one of our products. The link is also in the description. Let's continue with the video. Money management. You might start out with a perfect budget or a great saving foundation. Maybe you have a high-paying career that you love, but if you don't live on less than you earn, that doesn't bring you any closer to financial freedom. If you have expensive taste in houses and cars and need to look just as wealthy as your neighbor, you could be worse off financially, no matter how much you earn. You can start going in the right direction by simply tracking your spending and learning how to handle money. Identify the few areas where the money spent really pays off for a better quality of life for your core interests. Spend there and reduce everywhere else. Next, become a confident investor. You need to overcome your fear of stocks in order to benefit from them in the long run. Offset the risk of equities by allocating to other asset classes as well. Start small and be cautious, but get started. Learn and follow some basic investment principles, namely diversification, patience, simplicity, and low cost. Track your net worth and total portfolio return each year so you know which direction you're going and why. Once your career and finances are on track, you can explore more entrepreneurial ways to build wealth, perhaps by owning a small business or property. These can use your time and money and bring you to financial freedom earlier than expected. Get out of debt. It can be risky to use your debt payoff strategy for savings. You could end up with more debts than you have now if your investments don't pan out. If you are an expert stock investor, that may be a good option for you. But if you've never invested in stocks before, you could end up in more debt. Think of debt as a black hole. Once you're in, it's difficult to get out. So, it is very important to plan to get rid of debt in order to get financially independent. Many people feel the same way after the last debt repayment. Relieved. Even if you have low debt, you can't really call yourself financially free. Paying someone else may not be as glamorous as having money in the bank, but it will bring you closer to your goals. When paying off debt, there are two main methods: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first. The avalanche method of debt management is paying off your debt with the highest interest rate first. You need to decide what works best for you. Paying off a large debt takes an enormous burden off your shoulders. After you pay off your debt, you'll see the difference in how much money you have in your bank account. It's good to save and grow an account. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing it build up. Have multiple sources of income. You might think, how can I work multiple jobs when time falls short for even one? Well, if you're serious about financial freedom, you've got to sacrifice some blood, sweat, and tears. Your 9-to-5 might not help you achieve your goals. You need to step it up and look for income outside your current job. It is recommended to have at least 7 streams of income, according to experts. Your 9-to-5 job is one of them, only 6 more to go. You can have your sources of income in 2 ways. Active income includes trading time for money, and passive income, where money keeps coming in, even while you sleep. You need to involve both types in your streams of income. Financial freedom can help you take charge of your finances and, most importantly, your life. It's about living within your means, being a bit frugal, and making sure the money is spent on things you really need. By following these secrets and tips, you'll get closer to your goal of achieving financial freedom. So start saving money, build up additional income streams, pay off that debt, and before you know it, you're free. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you will be notified of every update. Also, don't forget to check the links in the video description. And while you're here, I'm sure you want to continue on the path of financial education. Click to watch the video appearing on your screen right now. I will see you there. Take care and stay tuned.